Hello everyone. This test video is a bit long. You can watch it at double speed and find some problems after generating several human skulls. For example, the upper and lower rows of teeth are not aligned. There are also traces of teeth on the top and bottom. The teeth of the second model are okay. There are still teeth on the top and bottom. The third model has similar problems. Map recognition misalignment. Let's first try to modify the texture of the teeth of the first model. Because he was obviously wrong. Asymmetric upper and lower teeth. Enter the texture repair function. Enter keywords. Please only apply to the teeth. It can be seen that the three results given by the restored tooth part are still not good enough. There are even 4 rows of teeth. I will now expand the repair area a little. Expand to the entire face for reconstruction. The repaired result is not even as comfortable as the previous one. The teeth are still wrong. Next, I tried to refine the keywords. It is clear that the tooth part needs to be repaired. I found that this refined keyword was useless. Teeth are still misidentified. It's 4 shots. Try the second model with better teeth. Fix the top of it. Cut it to the top view. Click the repair button. Paint the entire top of the skull. Enter keywords. You will find that the entire top has been restored to look like the front of the skull. Refine the keywords again to the skull. The result is still that the skull was not identified. I was wondering if adjusting the perspective would help. Cut the top-down angle to a 45-degree top-down direction. The shape of the entire skull can be seen and then repaired. I guess this allows the software to identify what the object is when repairing it. A what? Rather than just seeing one side of him. Through the change of perspective. Indeed, the skull was repaired more naturally this time. We select a result and apply it to the model. After the skull is fixed, we will fix the other texture errors. Still, first adjust to a perspective that can recognize the whole picture and see the wrong part. Apply topically at this time. This time, the repair was successful. You can see that the part of the back of the head that was originally identified as teeth has been restored to a skull. Select the best result and apply it to the model. The top and bottom parts, where the 2 biggest problems occurred, have basically been repaired. Export GLB format to Nomad. You can see that the effect is still very good. We deleted the stickers in time. Although it is a rough model, the overall shape is already there. It is more convenient for us to carry out fine carving. Of course, the version with textures will be more suitable for our scene creation or visual effects presentation.